Hotels arranged driver for us. We're going up to see the Erawan Falls. There's a couple ways to get there. Private driver's the best, trust me. It's not that expensive. 600 baht, 300 per person to get in. That's a little pricey. That's a tourist price. The driver, all in, maybe 75 bucks. Pretty good deal. It's a long drive up, long drive back. So we're gonna go up, see the falls. If everything goes well, I'm gonna get in the falls. And Leslie's going to film it. She doesn't want to get in, so here we go. The whole banana? The whole banana? Whole banana. There you go, buddy. Look at that. Oh, he's cool. All right, we're gonna go with another watermelon.
Go slower so I can get you more.
Oh, we dropped it. You got it? You got it. We feed all? Feed them all?
Oh, the baby's getting up on the rail.
Oh, wait a minute. Baby needs one. Look at the little baby. Oh. Let's get okay, here you go, buddy. We go to another one. Let's go grab your basket there. It's pretty heavy. Okay, we're gonna feed this guy down here now. All right, let's start with a watermelon. So, what do you got? Let's get a pineapple. We haven't tried that yet. The whole thing? The whole thing? Okay, we're gonna go with a giant pineapple. Oh, he had no problem with that. Oh, okay, we're coming, we're coming. We're coming.
Smaller baby down
This is great. Okay, I'm gonna feed that little baby down there, and then we'll come back up through here again. Okay. Let's feed the baby. The guide here is holding my camera for me. Taking some shots. All right, who's hungry? You're always hungry, aren't you? I don't think the baby can reach. All right, let's try for the baby. Baby, can you reach? Go, buddy. Here you go, buddy. You got it? You got it? You got it. Good job. These guys are hungry. He said that's nowhere near enough.
Yeah.
He's a big one. So there's some more elephants over there. Oh, he's snorting at me. There's more over there, and they do ride them here, which I think is controversial. But so let's grab your guys. Okay, let's go back through. Hey, hold on, we're coming back. These elephants, all rescue elephants, rescued. Rescue. It's okay.
I don't know this.
It's okay.
This boss.
Yeah. Oh.
I love to eat.
He wants more food. He wants more food. Yeah. Give me food. Okay, we're going kind of just up and down the row here. That one over there just yelled at me. He wanted more. Leslie, go ahead. You got a food one? Just sort of hook it in there. He'll grab it. All right, Leslie's gonna try now. He'll help you. He's not gonna hurt you. Just hook it. No. There, see, he hooks it. So I've been putting it like right up under there.
Oh, okay.
So he can grab it.
Guess that's what the other one didn't like. I did it wrong.
Oh. I'm getting elephant slimed. Oh, he took them both right out of my hand. Cool. He's playing with the baby.
A lot. The video, picture.
Excellent.
you.
Oh, thank you very much.
Kapungka.
Thank you. Okay, so he got. I'll check what's ever on my phone here in a minute. Okay, let's go. Oh, we have another baby. Another baby. Let's get the baby some watermelon. Nope. They all want.
On the rail.
I know. He's on the rail. There you go, buddy. Yes. No, this is a camera. Oh, no, you don't want that.
Over here.
Huh? Yeah. We got a lot of bananas. Okay.
It's coming.
Banana? No. Banana. Oh. That is a big. That just went right on. Look at how big this trunk is, y'all. Holy crap. This guy is huge. Huh? What did you feed him? Oh. Okay, we're gonna go see the little baby now. Hang on. If they could reach, they would take this entire basket, I think. All right, the baby's coming over. Here's the baby. Here you go, buddy. I'm sure you get well fed. Here you go. Oh, see, the baby's smart. He moved down.
Yeah.
Out of the way. feel like that pineapple's too big for the baby.
I know. Oh, he like shucked it.
He's smart.
Okay, wait for it over there.
Got it. Okay, I'll take this heavier one. Let's go. All right, you are a big boy. So you, big boys, get giant pineapples. That is pretty much the whole pineapple.
Yes, he's making do.
Doof.
Yeah, you know, it's a good part from the back.
Oh, look. Smart.
They're very smart.
He knows. He knows. Hello? Hello? No, no, no. It's for your baby over here. Everybody gets food. Oh, did you hear that? Yeah. Yeah. They're not. Oops. They're not happy. They're not happy when you don't feed them and walk away. But we're trying to give everybody equal shares here. They really grip. They got a grip. Fight the grip. All right, we got a baby and I think the biggest one right down here. So you're probably asking how much was it to do all this stuff? It was not cheap. It's not cheap, but it's anyway, it was 500 baht, 250 per basket. Wow, that dude had a grip. I pulled my hand up there with him. I think he had enough. He turned. Let's see what the baby wants. Oh, he's calling them. Got trainers up here. Well, this would classify as our most unusual lunch in Thailand. We're at a KFC. There's the proof. So we got 2 pieces of chicken, some french fries, and some kind of an orange soda. They gave us some napkins. Total price, I don't know, what, 400 baht, I guess?
198.
200 baht-ish, which is what, about $4. It's a hell of a lot cheaper than a US KFC. Let's see if it's any good. I'm just gonna keep the camera live for you. I'm gonna go for a bite. Let's get this one over here. Something I can pick up. Ooh, that's hot, right out of the fryer. Hang on, I might not be able to eat it. Smoking hot. I'm gonna need that. That's good. Finger looking good. So how is this KFC? I'll tell you what, we've sworn off KFC in the United States. It's just gone to crapola. We've been disappointed by it time and time again, but this KFC reminds me of when I was a kid, and you got that original recipe KFC, from, you know, when you were a kid back in, well, for me, back in the 70s, late 70s. This is fantastic, and it's probably due to the quality of the chicken here in Thailand. The chickens are probably right out the back door out there in a cage or something. I'm joking, but they get lots of fresh chicken here. It's delicious.